Hello everyone, how are you all doing? So I thought to carry you along a weekend in my life in Florence, Italy. It happens to be the Easter weekend and there is a wedding of one of us, of a family of us. So we came to Italy to grace the occasion. Before I embarked on this journey, I was so tired. But I thought, how can I go to Italy, Florence, and not do a vlog? It will not be nice of me. I thought to do this vlog and share it with you all. My name is Esther of the Esther's Chronicles TV, a YouTuber based in Zurich, Switzerland. A YouTuber based in Zurich, Switzerland. See the way I'm sounding, but I have to do it for love. So make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel, okay? And you are welcome. So a day before I set out for this journey, I had to work in the night. So as soon as I came home, I just got ready, baited myself, and we hit the road. But trust me, I love road trips. So this is my tired face, but the scenario from the street just gave me energy. It gave me life. This is still Switzerland. Mind you, we are driving all the way to Italy, so you have to drive like 3 hours within Switzerland before you even get to Italy border. And it's no longer news that we have so many tunnels in Switzerland. We have more tunnels than road. That can be exaggerated, but that's to tell you that Switzerland had so many tunnels. And while we were driving, the more we drove into the hinterland of Switzerland, the more we realized that there were snows on the road. So we drove to Italy. We got to Italy quite late because we didn't leave early. Yeah, so this is the border between Italy and Switzerland. It's a massive border, and then we had to just pay the normal toll gate fee before we entered into Italy. Yeah, so all this while we are now inside Italy, and before we go to our destination, we still had to cross 1 or 2 borders. And then we're not going to this trip on our own. We're going with a family member of ours. They also reside in Switzerland. So we were 2 couples in the car, 2 women, 2 men. We didn't come with the kids. I left the kids so that it can just be a weekend getaway, even though we are attending somebody's wedding. So that's how we got to Italy. We got to Italy quite late. So we got to Italy quite late in the night. So all this, I guess these videos parts were from, okay, this is Milano. This was still Italy. And then Italy, in Milano is even like 4 hours from Switzerland. Then you start driving into where we're going to. Our destination was Florence. So we got to the hotel late in the night, and the people we came to see, they brought food for us to eat. After eating, we just went to bed. Meanwhile, our hotel was with the breakfast, so there was complimentary breakfast with our rooms. So what we just did in the morning when we woke up, we went to have our breakfast. Breakfast is usually from 6:30 to 10. We went to have our breakfast, and after having breakfast, then we went to get ready proper for the event. So let me just take you through what they had on that table. They had different types of bread as usual. This scrambled egg and bacon were super lovely. One thing I love about their bacon was that it wasn't salty, and it was really nice. They had fruits, they had teas, it's just as you can eat, you take as much as you can eat. It was a buffet, breakfast buffet. So we had that, and then we went upstairs to get ready. Like, this bacon was so lovely. Like I said again, I love the bacon. It wasn't salty at all, just the way I love it. So I'm about to get my makeup ready. Get ready with me, guys. Whether can I keep this in the camera so that I can have a good capture of my get ready with me. I want to make up my face. Yes. Italy, we are ready. We are ready. My phone is just to the road this way. Never do me. Okay, let me use my phone as my mirror. Let me start with my phone as my mirror. Okay. I want to see my people, my people. Okay. Take this off. I have a milk powder. So guys, we are prepping. The beauty is that we are the owners of the daughter. You know, when you are getting married, the family of the bride, they are the focus, so not the family of the groom. We are the focus today. And I'm so looking forward to discuss. I've been meeting lots of our family members. I've not seen for years. I'm using my phone as my mirror. No, this cannot work, so I'm going to get out of here. But I'll carry you guys along, okay? Subscribe. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe to my channel. Okay? So I'll see you. Let's keep watching. So guys, I did my makeup myself. How did you say? Margie, hello. Search for the party. Carry you guys along, okay? Rinse my makeup.
The date to remember. Correct. Yes, sir. Can we put our hands together for them now? Just not to waste time, please can you move back to your seat?
So I'm going to be ending this video because now we are back to the hotel and the party is over. Thank you. If you've watched to this extent, please like the video, subscribe to my channel if you have not. Esther of the Esther's Chronicles, reporting live all the way from Italy. A weekend in my life.